practice and tips to improve your Spanish accent. Congratulations! You've made it this far in the pronunciation mini-course. In this final video, we're going to put everything together and talk about how you can keep improving your Spanish accent. We'll look at three things: some common mistakes English speakers make, resources you can use to improve, and daily practice tips to sound more natural. Common mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes English speakers make is mixing up Spanish vowels with English ones. Remember, Spanish vowels are always pure and never change. Let's look at three words people often say wrong. The Spanish word no. English speakers sometimes say it like the English no, with a diphthong. In Spanish, it's short and clear, no. The word música. Some learners pronounce the U like you, almost like music. Música. In Spanish, the U is just U. Música. And the word Maria. English speakers often say it like Maria. In Spanish, the I is a pure E sound. Maria. Maria. So remember, keep your vowels simple, clear, and consistent. That's the key to a natural Spanish accent. Resources. If you want to improve even more, listen to lots of Spanish. Watch shows, listen to music, podcasts, or YouTube videos in Spanish. Try repeating what you hear out loud. This is called shadowing, and it's a powerful way to train your ear and your mouth at the same time. Daily practice tips. Here are a few simple things you can do every day. Practice speaking out loud, even if it's reading a text. Record yourself and compare it to a native speaker. Focus on rhythm and flow, not just individual words. The more you practice a little bit every day, the more natural you'll sound over time. And that's it. You've completed the Spanish pronunciation mini-course. You now know the vowels, the tricky consonants, accent marks, stress, intonation, and rhythm. Keep practicing, and little by little, your Spanish accent will get better and better. Well done.